I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel where we do things the right way, which is the Bray way, and I'm brave. But you already knew that. Be so for real. You already knew that. And if you knew, now you know. You know I'm brave, and you know you're here to stay. So go ahead and subscribe right now, okay? But as you guys can see from the title, I got another unboxing to do. Another unboxing to do. Let me stop. Y'all, I just love it. I was waiting for this for the longest. Oh my gosh, I just don't know how bad I've been waiting for this. I'm sorry I'm making all this noise. I'm trying to scratch my address out. But I've been waiting for this for the longest. Okay, let me stop. Let's go ahead and pop this bad boy open. I ain't gonna do it like how I did my my iPad unboxing, my pink iPad unboxing. I'm just gonna unbox it right here for y'all. It's gonna be a little simple unboxing. If I can get the box open, I can't unbox nothing if the box don't come open. I don't even know if I'm opening this right. Ow! Stabbed myself with the scissors, y'all. Y'all, I don't think I'm doing this right. How does the box open? What is going on?
2,000 years later.
Y'all, see? I thought I'd be having a hard time getting into these wig boxes, but this them right here. This the one. I need some instructions on how to open the box. Okay, I think I got it, y'all. Hold on, I might need to cut this out some more. Oh Lord, what's going on? Oh! I got it though. And oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, oh my gosh. Oh, I got it. I got it. Yes. Let me stop. Okay, let's go ahead and open this thing out. Y'all probably like, girl, you so crazy. Ooh. Y'all, oh my goodness. I can't believe that I got these. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh y'all, it was a thing to open it. I ain't even had to see that. And let me slide the top out. Let me slide the top out. Let me slide. If the top gonna come off. Okay. And here they are. Let me go ahead and take them out of the box though. Oh my goodness, y'all. I don't even know why I got white, but I was gonna get pink, but I was like, no, I could just cover it with like a pink, like the little covering case, and customize it, like, because what if I don't want to always wear pink, like, you know. But this is, oh my gosh, this is been like, this is it. Let me take it out of the case. Oh my, 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 oh my. Y'all, and they say right and left on the inside, and they adjust right here. I only know because my cousin had some. I was just waiting for me to get some. So yeah, and they come with the charging wire, and yeah. So let's go ahead and set these bad boys up. Like, let me get my phone. Hold on. Let's get it. Let's get it popping. Can y'all see it? It's popping up like regular AirPods. Like, hold up, I'm gonna have to click on it so y'all can see it, and it's gonna make me dark. but y'all can see it a little bit. The ring light might be in the way too, but they popped up like regular AirPods. Like, let's connect. Get into it. Okay, y'all. Let me see what else I gotta do. Noise control. Press the noise control button to switch between noise cancellation and transparency. Media control. Press the dial. Okay, you press once to play and pause, twice to skip, and 3 times to adjust the volume, I think. Or something it was telling me. Oh my goodness, you can use the control center, like regular AirPods, of course. What else? Let's get to the good stuff. But I really need to know how to work them a little bit. They're on 88%. Okay, so they connected. Okay, let's go ahead and let me put them on. Yo, it's like, I don't know if I'm talking loud or not. Like, okay, let me play something. Y'all can hear my heartbeat in like my ears. Let me turn it all the way up. Oh my goodness, I can't hear myself at all. Y'all, I can't hear myself. Yo. Hold up, I gotta pause it. I had to pause it because I cannot hear myself. Like, I can barely hear it when it's not playing. So when the music is playing, I cannot hear myself. Hold on, wait. Let me click and see what that did. Oh, I think that's noise. No, that's transparency. I can hear myself better now. Hold on, let me try now. Hello? No. I can't hear nothing. Okay, the noise cancellation, the noise cancellation. Oh, I was talking a little loud, I think. Oh, noise cancellation is real. Like, that's crazy. Like, I can barely hear anything. Oh, and then it landed up green at the bottom. I guess to tell you when it charged, me charging it. When I even had a regular AirPods too. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys, I also got this this case for them off of Amazon, because I was like, I can't just carry them things around like that. Like, yes, a little zip up thing for the charging and stuff, and then the AirPods for it. I need to figure out how to use that. I don't even know what that little thing on the inside is, but back to the goods. Let's put these back on. Okay, so I think, let me turn up transparency. Oh, yo, this is crazy. Like, it's like I can hear myself talking, like I'm talking in a microphone and it's coming. That's crazy. Like, yo, I'm too excited. Like, I can hear myself clear, and then when I press this, it's noise cancellation. It's like I can't hear myself again. Oh my gosh, so let me try transparency again. Oh, so this is like when people talking to you, all you gotta do is tap it. So you be like, huh? What you say? Oh my gosh. Let me try. Let me listen to some more music. Oh, let me change this song. Let me change something a little faster, a little harder, a little. Some young boy always hit. Let's see. It ain't no telling what I won't do. Why the hand on you? Girl, you bad. I ain't trying to waste your time. But if it happened, that's fine. over the time. Y'all, it's like when you be like, you want to feel the music, that's the experience. Like, I feel it, like the lyrics is going to my veins. Oh my gosh. And I ordered 2 things from Amazon to cover this, but they supposed to be here today and they still on the way, and they told me they was gonna be delivered by 9. And let me check Amazon, cause what is going on? What is really going on? Why is my stuff not here yet? They might not be like we had to change the delivery. Oh wait, y'all, say delivered. Hold on, let me check and see if it's outside. Wait. Okay, y'all, I found them. Yeah, they was in the Amazon package that came in. It didn't say it was delivered until just now, until I just checked. So yeah, these are the things they go on right there, and they pink. Y'all already know. 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 I'm about to put them on, cause I don't want these things to get scratched up, cause they can get scratched up and then the little silver color will probably start fading. And these cost so much for that. So let me take these off. And I already got something in the it's probably for my hair though. The little thing at the top, the little cotton thing at the top. I probably could wash it out though. I'm gonna look it up though. Okay, I guess this side got to be this side. I ain't trying to waste your time. Y'all might have a little concert. Oh, if I can get it on there. Let me stop being so rough. Well, y'all know I have a bad habit of buying stuff that don't fit, but this better fit. Okay, let me try the other one. Go down there first and then slide it on to here. Y'all. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, oh, okay. I thought so. That's what I had thought. Let me put it down again. Yo, this paint is not going nowhere, okay? If it fall off, that means it's time to get a new one because it done been scratched off. Okay, hold up. It's almost on there, almost on there. Whew. Oh, that's so cute. So now they pink. They pink and white, y'all. That's been my colors lately, so let me put these back on. And 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. And it matched my case a little bit. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Chef's kiss. 10 out of 10. Chef's kiss. Like, let's have a little mini concert right quick. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want to rough that nigga. He just want to send me automatic with a. Ask me if I finished. Nah, I just begun. Are you dumb? Give me. Gra. Spit out, dang it. Oh, okay, different song, different song, different song. Let's see. They said they don't, but I said they can't. Just like the air I'm everywhere. How you say it's Poppy? You would think I went to school for chiropractic. Just send my 5 attachments. Man, you backwards. I don't even find a striker. Down before. Then it's time to go. It's fucking on my both there. So y'all, let me stop, cause whew, that didn't get me to cursing real quick. Oh, my next song. This is a big dummy. Rent money, get money. Big scope of y'all, I was born in October. Let me stop. Okay, y'all. Whew. Let me stop before I get hot up in here. I know it's probably loud. Ooh. The difference in... Ooh. There's the difference, okay? But... they are so freaking cute. Okay, let me stop, y'all. I just get so excited. And act like a child. Like, this is... I don't know. Like, oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, I forgot they turn back around because you gotta put me in a case like that. I'm about to say, okay, y'all, 10 out of 10 I recommend if you can afford it. If not, don't worry about it. I'm pretty sure it's cheap off. I saw some Sony headphones that's just like this, but if you can, get it. I'm gonna just rip it, get it. Okay, get it. Let me stop acting fool. Get it. It's definitely a 10 out of 10. I really love these. Like, oh my goodness, this is so freaking cute. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, and you're gonna see your girl in her next video. Make sure you go, better get you one of these. Get you one, okay? Y'all better come and get one of these. Yeah, all right, I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah.